This is Wes with another piece for Sharpe Roofing University. So today we're just going to talk about what the sun and the rain does to the shingles as they begin to wear out. People ask, how long do they last? So this roof is 10 going on 11 years old. You can kind of see some of the shine in the shingle there, and that's because it's where the little granules are missing, and they always come off at like the bottom edges and the edges of the profile piece, the beauty piece on top, because the granules can't hold as well there. It's easier for the rain to wash them off. And what you're seeing is the fiberglass shining. And when people look at their roof, you look at this roof section, okay, it doesn't look that bad, it's not, and it's true, it's not that much granular surface loss, but you need perspective, theory of relativity, right? You need to get it relative. So this is a new piece. You can see how tight the granules are. They're hiding the asphalt from the sun so it can't evaporate it out. And here we see, in just a standard area on this roof, how much of that granular surface is missing. And it's beginning to wear, and it'll suck out that asphalt, and then like right there, you'll see fiberglass mat. Well, obviously it's the asphalt, not the fiberglass. It's waterproof, but more importantly, the shingle begins to get brittle. It loses its adhesion, its ability to stay on in a high wind lift, and then if it's brittle, of course, it can snap it and blow it off. So, while they may shed water for a long time, it's like a tire with very little tread. Under pressure, it's going to fail because the tread has gotten quite thin. Still gets you to the store, gets you to school, but when you really need it the most, under pressure in the rain or a sharp turn or sharp braking, it's going to fail because it's too thin. Hope that helps.